Setting up an intex swimming pool can vary depending on the specific model you have, but here are some general steps to help you with the setup. 1. Choose a suitable location. Select a level area in your yard that is free from rocks, branches, or other sharp objects that could potentially damage the pool. 2. Lay out the ground cloth. Lay a ground cloth or tarp on the chosen location to provide a protective barrier between the pool liner and the ground. 3. Assemble the pool frame. Follow the manufacturer's instructions to assemble the metal frame of the pool. This usually involves fitting the frame pieces together and securing them in place. 4. Inflate the top ring. If applicable, if you have an inflatable ring at the top of your pool, inflate it using a pump until it is firm and holds its shape. 5. Install the pool liner. Spread out the pool liner inside the frame, making sure it is flat and smooth with no wrinkles. 6. Fill the pool with water. Begin filling the pool with water using a garden hose or other water source. Make sure to continuously check the level as it fills to ensure it is even and the pool is properly supported. 7. Secure the pool. Once the pool is filled with water, make any necessary adjustments to ensure it is level and secure. Some pools may come with additional supports or straps to help stabilize the pool. 8. Treat the water. Optional if desired. You can add pool chemicals or treatments to the water to help maintain water quality and clarity. 9. Enjoy your pool. Once the pool is set up and filled with water, you're ready to enjoy swimming and relaxing in your intex swimming pool. Remember to always refer to the specific instructions provided by Intex for your particular pool model to ensure proper setup and usage. If you encounter any difficulties during the setup process, don't hesitate to reach out for further assistance.